Insta360's upcoming Luna Ultra is starting to show up at retailers ahead of its official announcement, suggesting the company's next flagship pocket gimbal camera may not be far away. German retailer Photo Erhard has already opened a €50 reservation program for the device, allowing customers to secure an early place in the queue before launch. The deposit will later be deducted from the final purchase price. According to the retailer, deliveries could begin within roughly a month, although that will ultimately depend on Insta360's official rollout timeline. The Luna Ultra is expected to compete directly with DJI's Osmo Pocket 4P, particularly in the premium compact creator camera segment. Based on early details, Insta360 appears to be aiming much higher this time, with a dual camera setup co-engineered with Leica. One of the biggest highlights is the use of a 1-inch main sensor paired with a Leica Summicron lens. The camera is also expected to support 8K video recording, 10-bit iLog color, Leica color profiles, and high frame rate 4K recording up to 120 frames per second. Some leaks have even suggested higher slow motion capabilities in select modes. Like previous pocket gimbal cameras, stabilization remains a major focus here. The Luna Ultra uses a 3-axis gimbal system alongside what Insta360 calls a triple AI chip for subject tracking and automated framing features such as deep track. Another interesting detail is the detachable remote control with an integrated touch screen, which could make shooting more flexible for vloggers and solo creators. While Insta360 has not officially confirmed global pricing yet, the company's CEO previously hinted at a range between roughly $780 and $960 depending on the bundle configuration. That would place the Luna Ultra firmly in premium territory, especially compared to earlier Osmo Pocket competitors. The quiet retailer pre-orders strongly suggest the official launch is getting close. If the leaked specifications hold up, the Luna Ultra could become one of the more ambitious compact creator cameras released this year, especially for users who want higher-end video quality without carrying a larger mirrorless setup.